Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be learning how to join our knots together and teaching you two methods on how to join your yarns together. So these are both ends of two yarns and I'm using distinct colors so that you can see them very clearly. Now we're going to be learning the square method first, then I'll go over to the magic knot method. I would not say I have a favorite yet, although if I want to pick between both of them, I would say the magic knot. Alright, so for the square knot, we're going to be making an X. We're going to have the right yarn over the left yarn, like so. Let me bring it down to the frame of the camera. So we're going to be having the right yarn over the left yarn. We're going to bring this end over and then under our yarn, our right yarn, like so. So we're going to repeat this for the top one. Now it will be the left over the right. That is the red over the white yarn. And we're going to bring this over the whites over the red yarn and then under, like so. So it's giving us something like the square shape, and so we're going to hold this end and this end together and we're going to pull very tightly, like so. We're going to pull very tightly and see they've been joined. We're going to pull this end tightly and we're going to pull this end tightly as well. So we're going to place both ends of the yarn close to themselves in this way, and then we're going to go ahead and bring this red over our white yarn. Then we're going to take it under, like so, and then we're going to tie it, bring it inside the loop like a knot, like how you tie a normal knot, and then you're going to fasten it, like tighten it on the white yarn. So we're going to repeat the same step for the white yarn. So we're going to go over and then we're going to go under, like so. We're going to make a knot and we're going to fasten over the red, like so. So make sure that both ends are fastened, and we're going to go ahead now to pull this end to bring the two knots together. So let's pull together, and as you can see, you've brought the two ends together and you've successfully done your magic knot. I prefer this method of joining your yarn actually because it is more durable than the square method. The square method unravels after some time if you're not careful, and I'm not the only one who has noticed that, so I think I would prefer the magic knot. So we'll go ahead and clip off the excess yarn very close to the join, like so, and we are done. Done. So that's all for today's video. That's all for the video. If you learned anything from this video, you can go ahead and click the like button, and if you'd love more videos like this, you can go ahead and subscribe and join the family and follow us on our crochet journey. So with that said, have a nice day. Bye.